And kanina, a while ago, we played the songs coming from Michael Bolton dahil birthday niya. Pati na rin si Corinne Bailey Ray and Erica Badu. Okay? Also, To Anyone's Fire because yung one of their members ng To Anyone, si CL, is celebrating her birthday today. And speaking of celebrating, if you're gonna be having celebrations or you need a place to relax and unwind, all right, check out Vine and Canopy. All right, for those who haven't heard yet or are not familiar with Vine and Canopy yet, they are located at Lot 1, B1, Corregidor Road, Triboa District, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. If you're not familiar with Triboa, yung Triboa District, dyan yung yan yung place dati na kung saan ginanap yung APEC Summit. Do you guys remember? When Fidel Ramos was our president, ginanap yung APEC Summit sa Pilipinas. And yung Triboa District, it was created, it was constructed para maging place ng mga leaders ng APEC, no? Yung mga bansa na kasapi sa APEC, doon sila nagstay. So it's such a beautiful place. Tapos ang ganda ng tanawin, ang ganda ng view. So now, Vine and Canopy is there at the Triboa District of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? So if you wanna unwind, relax, maiba naman ang atmosphere, madalin mo si Mahal dyan, di ba? Pwede ring mag-family relaxation kung gusto nyo magbakasyon ng buong pamilya nyo. Dyan na lang, Vine and Canopy. Ayan, for increase, you may call or text 0917-564-0615. Okay, so remember the name, Vine and Canopy. Such a beautiful place to rewind, unwind, and relax. Visit their Facebook page. Kasi sa Facebook page po nila nakapost doon yung mga yung pictures ng lugar, ng amenities, ng magagandang tanawin. It's all there at the official Facebook page. Look it up, okay? They also have their other socials. You can just simply Google. Just check out Vine and Canopy. Yun yung nakalagay. Vine and Canopy. Check it out. All right. Punta nga ako dyan para lang matulog. Para relax yung tulog, no? Sarap. Such a beautiful place, promise. Okay, and also aside from the Saturday events that's gonna be happening, meron pa akong Saturday invites for you guys. We're doing stand-up comedy every Saturday at Acapella Cafe. Yan, pero except for this coming Saturday, I'm gonna be with the 80th Grand Reunion, Grand Alumni Homecoming muna of OCNHS. So perhaps I'll be back Saturdays of March na, no? At the stand-up comedy night. Actually, open mic yun, you know. Everybody's invited. You're invited by the group called Zamba Mic. Imbitahan kayong lahat. Kung gusto nyong mag-open mic, marunong kayo kumanta, mag-poetry reading, or gusto nyo rin mag-stand-up comedy rin, sige, go ahead. It's an open mic invitation for everybody at Acapella Cafe, Barangay Wawandwe, Subic, Zambales, near the City Hall. Malapit sa City Hall yun ng Subic Town, no? Okay? Tatawid ka lang sa harap ng may Burgos Street doon. Yun, pasok ka sa Burgos Street. That's where it's at. Acapella Cafe. Alrighty. Also, we wanna give a big shout out to Kuya Israel Di Malanta. Hello. Ayan, gandang gabi mga kabandera, sabi niya. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Pati na rin kay Sir Jepro. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, the live video. Maraming salamat. Alright. Kayo rin, mga walang ginagawa dyan. Click nyo na rin yung video, di ba? Yung iba kasi nakikinig lang no? Ayaw maki-interact Ano ba, nahihiya ba kayo? Okay, nahihiya. Oh, dahil ako, hindi. Yeah, speaking of Acapella Cafe, again, every Saturday yun 8 p.m. kung pupunta kayo. Aside from joining the open mic, pwede na rin kayo mag-dine doon. Dine, unwind, and relax, di ba? Pwede rin. Dahil it's a cafe. Order kayo. Alright. And dito naman, ang Radyo Bandera,